What's up there, people? Hunter Spoke Riders here, and this video is all about my 3 motorcycles. Now, each bike shown in this video has a playlist on there, so if you want to know detailed information about what's been done in the build-up, check out my playlist on each bike. Now, first up is my 2002 GSXR 600. I call this bike Leatherface. Now the next bike up is my 2014 Suzuki DR650. I call this bike City Slicker, and it's actually my favorite bike out of all 3 bikes just because of the places this bike can take me. There is no limits to the places this bike can go. I had to get this Freedom key tag because this bike gives me the freedom to take me places that my other 2 bikes would never be able to go. That's why I got the Freedom key tag. This is my 2016 Kawasaki Z1000. Now, because this bike is sexy and deadly at the same time, I had to name her Jade after a character on Mortal Kombat. Well, that pretty much says it all right there. It's always happy times when you're riding a Z1000. Always happy times. Well, there you have it, people. Those are the 3 motorcycles I currently own. Stay tuned. There will be a lot more motorcycle-related videos posted real soon. Thanks for watching Hunter Spoke Riders. Subscribe today to not miss a video. You want to hit that little bell like so? Easy. Don't forget about the notifications. All you got to do is go up there and click it just like that. Slide on down there, hit that save button, and then you won't miss a video. It's that easy.